Hey, cool ideas community. Gather round because Starcraft RV just dropped a bombshell for the budget-conscious outdoor enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the 2020 for Autumn Ridge lineup. And folks, it might just be the most affordable family-friendly travel trailer game changer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Affordable in the world of travel trailers. Is this a dream? But no, my friends, it's real, and Starcraft RV has been eavesdropping on our camping wishes. Let's break it down. These beauties start at a jaw-dropping $25,178. Yes, you heard it right. And that's not a typo. And if you're in the market for a family-sized camper, the Do 7BH floor plan has got your back. It's like a mini mansion on wheels, accommodating up to 12 guests. Imagine the family road trip shenanigans. Now, these trailers are no lightweight contenders. Well, they are, but you get what I mean. With a weight ranging from 3,485 pounds to 6,275 pounds. You won't need a massive truck to tow these bad boys. And they come in more flavors than your favorite ice cream. Up to 15 different floor plans for the Western US and 13 for the Eastern side. But here's the real magic. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the lifestyle. Picture this. You roll into a trailer park. A California vineyard if you've got connections. That is, or any picturesque destination. You park, stretch those legs, and unleash a world of outdoor fun. Outdoor dining set, check. Tent for the kids, check. Inflatable kayaks and sips, check. Bikes, check. Massive side awning, double check. Some layouts even have slide outs to expand the interior space. It's like magic, but on wheels. And let's talk about the interiors. Hardwood cabinetry, 3 burner tops, microwaves, bunk beds for the little ones, modular sofas, cargo areas, TVs, dinettes, you name it. Starcraft didn't hold back, giving you a cozy home on wheels without breaking the bank. The best part, Starcraft listened to what we, the outdoor lovers, wanted. It's like they handed us the remote, and we said, affordable, family-friendly, and packed with features, and they delivered. So, if you've been dreaming of the ultimate family adventure on a budget, hit subscribe. Because the 2020 for Autumn Ridge lineup is here to make those dreams a reality. Starcraft, where affordability meets the great outdoors.